Wonders of Himalayas. There is a silence in the Himalayas that speaks louder than thunder. It is not the silence of emptiness, but of immense presence. A silence that holds the weight of time and the breath of the sky. Stretching across 5 nations and crowned by the tallest peaks on Earth, the Himalayas are not just mountains. They are a realm of gods, a sanctuary of myths, and the final frontier of raw, untouched majesty. Here, the earth rises into the heavens with such reverence that even the clouds bow in passing. It is a land shaped by snow and spirit, where rivers are born from glaciers and the wind carries prayers written in color. Every step here feels like crossing into a story that predates man,